This is the long tail cast on using both ends of the yarn. So this is the yarn that comes from the middle of the ball. This is the yarn that wraps around the outside of the ball. And I'm using both of them to make a slip knot. Use this to anchor the yarn onto your needle. We're using a circular needle because we're going to make a hat. And then make an OK sign with your left hand. Right, so you've got like an OK sign here, and then you wrap these 3 fingers around the bottom like this, and you open up your 2 fingers here and turn it this way. Then you slide your needle from the bottom of the thumb going up and then down your index finger, and you bring the loop through and you let it tighten. It's hard for me to slow down the movements, but you go up, through, and tighten. Up, through, and tighten. Up, through, and tighten. And let's just see like a kind of a close-up here. So you go, you're like guiding this loop and grabbing a loop here and bringing it through and then tightening. And you're going to do that, start with 72 all the way around, and that will give you an 18-inch hat.